Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create get comments by task ID API in the Spring Boot application. So let's get started. You can see here the admin service. Inside this interface, I'm going to create a method with the name get comments by task ID. In the argument, it will get task ID, that is the type of a long, and the return type of this method, that is a list of a comment DTO. Let's navigate to the admin service simple. Let me implement this method, that is a get comments by task ID. Inside this method, I'm going to call the query from the comment repository, that is a find all by task ID. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here the task ID that we are getting in the argument. Let's create this method inside the comment repository, and it will return a list of comment entities. Let's go back to the admin service, and it will be a dot string dot map. Inside the argument of the map, we have to pass here the comment entity, and second we have to pass here the method name, that is a get comment DTO. This method is nothing, just a conversion of the entity to the DTO, and it will be a dot collect, that is a collectors dot to list. Let's go to the admin controller, response entity, and here I'm going to add the list of the comment DTO. Name of the method, that is a get comments by task ID. We have to get the task ID from the URL. It will be at the rate path variable. Data type, that is a long, and name of the variable, that is a task ID. Inside this method, I'm going to add the return, where we have to call the method from the admin service, that is a get comment by task ID. It will be a response entity dot OK. Inside the argument of this, we have to call the method from the admin service, that is a get comments by task ID. And I'm going to pass here the task ID. On the top of this method, I'm going to add the annotation, that is at the rate get mapping to access this endpoint. So the URL is /comments/task ID. Let's run the Spring Boot application. As you can see, our Spring Boot application started successfully. Let's navigate to the Chrome browser. Let me log in here the admin. I'm going to get the token of the logged in admin from the application tab. Let's navigate to the Postman and let's test the API. As you can see, the URL of our endpoint, that is a /API/admin/comments/ID. Mapping, it will be a get, and I'm going to add here the JWT token of the admin inside the authorization tab. Let's click on the send button. As you can see, the status we got 200 OK, and we are getting here the object inside the body with the content, that is what is the status of the task posted by the admin. So that's all now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.